Hi guys, I'm Daniel from Carbonwurks, and today we have the M Performance style side breathers or side vents, depending how you want to look at it. And these are the M Performance style, so it's a full carbon part where some of them actually are half carbon. This is a complete carbon fibre piece. So this is available for the M3 and the M4. The only difference really is the arch and the clip fitments are very slightly different. The only thing that we do with this particular one is you will need to reuse your badge that you have here. So that comes off, we give tape so you can put on the original badge onto the part itself. But it's a really nice fitment, this part, much like everything else. It's very easy to do, even the most DIY home mechanic could probably do this one. So you've got a handful of clips and effectively you would pry it from one way out, whole thing removes. As I said, take off the logo, put the tape on, reapply it to the new carbon version and clip straight in. So echoes the rest of the M Performance range. It's 2x2 Twill carbon fibre. It's Autoclave Pre-Preg, like everything else on the car, like everything else we offer. So really nice part, just a little, sometimes a little detail bits that make a part like this. So I hope you enjoyed the video.